Every time you flip an electric switch, have you ever thought where your electricity comes from? What goes into making it? Welcome to Singrauli, the energy capital of India. कितनी बिजली बनती है यहाँ पे?
यहाँ पे अनपरा ATPS 630 मेगावाट, अनपरा BTPS 1000 मेगावाट, अनपरा CTPS जो है कि 1200 मेगावाट, निर्माणाधीन अनपरा डीप परियोजना 1000 मेगावाट, वो सामने हिंडाल्को का प्लांट है जो कि 700 मेगावाट के आसपास है। रिहंद बांध के उस तरफ वो जो है लगभग 4000 से 4600 के आसपास बिंद नगर है जो कि 3200 मेगावाट के आसपास है। शक्ति नगर परियोजना है जो कि 2000 मेगावाट बिजली उत्पादन हो रहा है। रिहंद जल ताप है, उसमें भी लगभग 250-300 के आसपास उत्पादन हो रहा है।
So from what he just said, using simple maths, around 14,000 megawatts of electricity, which is around 12% of India's total energy production from coal comes from here. You may not know this, but there's a very interesting process of how your electricity is produced. Step 1. Dig up a few forests, then extract coal by blasting the shit out of the surface of the earth. Step 2 of the process. All the coal which is mined from the coal mines is loaded onto these wagons brought here to be crushed and then loaded onto the conveyor belt from where it's sent to the thermal power plants to be burnt. Step 3 of the process is that coal is crushed into a fine powder and then burnt at a very high temperature to boil water. The resulting steam runs a turbine which in turn generates electricity for us. All this coal that is burnt in these plants release a lot of ash. The finest ash particles are released into the atmosphere through these tall chimneys. This is an ash pond, which is the last step of producing electricity through a thermal power plant. All the coal that is burnt and the ash that comes out of it is mixed with water and through a pipeline is dumped into wide open spaces like this, which forms an ash pond. If you notice the color of water, it's white in color, and that's because of all the ash which is mixed here. On the other hand, if you come with me and take a look right over here, that's the water of Rihand reservoir, and the water is normal color. So there it is, doodh ka doodh, pani ka pani. All the electricity that is generated in hundreds of these plants are sent to a few central grids from where it's distributed to the rest of the country. And sometimes when these grids collapse, we all know what happens. This process of generating electricity does have a few fallouts. Ash pollutes the air and it also ends up polluting the freshwater sources. The water table depletes because plants end up using a lot of water, and coal mining ends up destroying a lot of forests and displacing people. So that brings us to the end of episode 2. Hopefully by now you've figured out what goes into powering your iPods, refrigerators, music system, air conditioners, etc. But there's more. See you next episode.